Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ripple effect. We will dive into the fascinating world of wave propagation, starting with the fundamental principles that govern how ripples form and spread. You'll learn about the initial disturbance, how energy transfers, and the visual characteristics of these captivating patterns. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind creating these beautiful, expanding circles, whether you're working with real water or digital simulations. The physics behind a ripple effect is quite intriguing. When an object disturbs a surface, like water, it creates an initial displacement. This energy then propagates outwards as a wave. Surface tension plays a significant role in small ripples, while gravity becomes more dominant for larger waves. The wave's speed and how quickly its energy dissipates are directly related to the properties of the medium it travels through, creating those distinct, expanding circles. There are several exciting ways to create a ripple effect. Physically, simply dropping a small pebble or a single drop of water into a calm pool is a classic method. For more controlled or continuous ripples, you might use a vibrating motor or a speaker placed near the surface. In the digital realm, software like Blender or After Effects employs complex algorithms to simulate these effects, allowing artists to manipulate parameters such as wave speed, amplitude, and decay for stunning visual results. To achieve the best ripple effects, consider a few tips. For physical experiments, a shallow, clear container with still water provides excellent visibility. Varying the drop height or the size of the object will significantly change the ripple's intensity and spread. Digitally, experimenting with displacement maps and noise functions can yield incredibly realistic results. Ripple effects are widely used in visual effects, game development, and even sound design to add a dynamic and immersive quality to various projects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.